What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again with another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my second dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. That's what we're talking about in this video. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, if you are brand new to the channel, I had a rough start. I tried to be a day trader, got smacked around pretty good. I was down like almost $60,000, and I decided to shift my focus to dividend investing. And so that's kind of what this channel is about. I'm not a pro by any means, not a guru, just an average person sharing my own experiences. And it's always kind of funny to get people to tell me, hey, you should do this instead with your money. And it's like, hey, I'm just an average guy and thank you for your contribution. However, you live and you learn type of thing. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my second dividend payment with Prospect Capital. And this is kind of exciting because you can even see that my dividend payments are growing. Even though it seems like it's tiny, it doesn't matter. It's growing, and that's what's important. And if you fast forward a couple of years or even several months down the road, you'll see the power of compounding payments, which is really, really exciting. So what I'm going to do is right now, I'm showing you guys my portfolio. It's currently after hours as I'm making this video. And as you guys can see, currently I'm down negative $2,966. Of course, it's moving all over the place because it is after hours right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Prospect Capital here. I click on that tab. I already have it open. And currently, you can see the price is $8.18. I will scroll down here and show you guys my market value. As you can see at this particular moment is $11,632.91. Currently, I am up overall on this particular stock, which is super exciting. I'm currently up 14%, which is $1,464. My average cost per share, as you guys can see right here, is $7.15. And I currently own 1,422 point so on and so forth shares. Okay. So my average cost is $7.15, and right now it's trading for $8.18. That is really, really cool. In a way, I'm always like, man, I should have bought more shares, but having $10,000 invested in one particular company is quite a bit. So I definitely have a little over $10,000 my initial investment in Prospect Capital. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom because I want to show you the history here. This is my second dividend payment with Prospect Capital, and so I'm super excited. Right here, you guys can see I got a dividend payment on April 22nd. I'll touch on that real quickly. And so they announced that they were going to pay on the 30th of March 2021. At that time, I owned 1,411 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share. So the total payment that I got was $84.69. Now, one of the things I love about Prospect Capital is the fact that this is a monthly dividend paying stock. So that's super exciting. So I get $84. This is my second payment. So this is 2 months. I've gotten $84. Let me go down and show you the history, just because I want to show you guys that the payments have grown. So this is my entire history with Prospect Capital. So you guys can see back on February 11th, I made a purchase of $10,000. I just invested $10,000 and I bought however many shares I can get for $10,000, which at the time was 1,400 point so on and so forth shares, and it was $7.14. On March 18th, I got my very first dividend payment for $84.04. I'll click on that just to show you guys. And at the time, I had 1,400 shares, and I got paid 6 cents per share, and that came up to $84.04. Now, that's pretty cool. As you can see here, on March 21st, I bought myself. I used the $84.04. I did not have the dividend reinvestment plan enabled on Robinhood. They call it the DRIP, which is dividend reinvestment plan. And I did not have that automatically enabled because I was like, I want to buy the shares myself and catch them at a lower price. So you see that I have a purchase here on March 21st in the amount of $84.04, and I was able to get 10.85 shares. Okay, and so I reinvested the dividend payment there. So then you can see here, April 22nd, I got the second dividend payment, which is in the amount of $84.69, and I automatically had the dividend reinvestment turned on, and Robinhood went ahead and purchased some shares for me. They purchased $84.69 worth of shares, which allowed me to get 10.55 shares. Okay, so you can see that there's a difference between the very first payment that I got, which is in green, back here on March 18th, the first payment, $84.04. The second payment of $84.69. Now, that is a difference of 65 cents. So I made 65 cents more by just owning this stock and just by reinvesting the dividend payment. Now, clearly, if I didn't reinvest the dividend payment, I wouldn't be plus 65 cents on my second dividend payment. That is the power of leveraging the compounding of dividend payments, and this will continue to grow over time, and that is pretty freaking exciting. So I just wanted to take the time, like I said, to show you guys that I got my second payment from Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. I'm not a guru, nowhere close. I'm not going to sit here and try to tell you guys, you need to be buying these stocks. That's never going to be my thing, I don't think, but I will be sharing my journey and letting you guys know what's possible and letting you know what's in my portfolio currently. All right, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously, and feel free to share this video and this channel with somebody that can benefit from it. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.